Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very interesting project I did with the RDK X5. So I want to build something like this. This is blue, come from NVIDIA. It's very interesting. But this one is pretty large, so I want to build some smaller one. I find we have a project over here. This one is an open source project. It's called OpenDuck Mini. I will put the link to the video description, so you guys could take a look. This one originally uses the Pi Zero, but I decided to use the RDK X5 because this one have more AI power. So if later we want to do some object detection, such as use the YOLO, I could do that. So that is why I decided to use the RDK X5. Okay, let's start from beginning. You could find the CAD file over here, and also you could find the BOM from here. So let's start from the 3D printing. Okay, you could download the print file and start print. It may need to take about I think a day to get everything printed. So let's fast forward this one. After a day, I got everything printed. Then now I could start assemble this one. It may need a few hours to get everything assembled. But first of all, we need to assemble the servo motor first because we need to do the calibration. After we get the servo motor assembled, then we have chance to do the calibration. The calibration basically just need to set the zero location, like the zero position. The base position of the dog. So let's start this one. Let's assemble them first. It's may need, like I mentioned, it may need a few hours. After we got all servo motor installed, now we could do the calibration. We have about 14 servo motor. Here we have the power. Also, we got the power connected. We got the battery connected. Let's get the software. So here is the software. So we need to pick up the COM port. The COM port is 90 right now. So the baud rate is about 1 M. So just others by default. Let's scan. Okay, so you can find all servo motor over here. 14 of them. Yeah. Let's. Okay. So this is a different servo motor just for different parts, different joints. So let's click the first one. Just go to the upgrade and go to the program. Just click this offset. This basically will set the 0 point. That means now the current position is your 0 position. So let's do it all of them. Okay, so everything looks good. Everything set to the 0 position. Now let's continue, keep doing the assemble. Let's get the head. Okay, it may need like another 1 or 2 hours get everything assembled. Okay, here is the final product. It looks very cool. It's just a small version of the blue. Let me show you how to control this device by the joystick. We deploy this one, deploy the open source code to the RDK X5. I have another video to show you how to deploy that. Okay, let's try to move forward and move back forward. Cool. This one, this Y button, you could this button is arrow button. You could turn left and turn right. Yeah, let's turn. Let's move forward and let's turn right. It's cool. It's very stable. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's taken me a few days. I finally got this one. Okay, cool. Okay, let's use the Y button to control the head. So it could get the head down, shake your head, turn left, turn right, just the head. Okay, and the head up. Yeah, it's very good. It's very good. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.